Best regards to you, my dear friends. This is Ngwai Eric. Once again, we are back after a while to give you your tutorials on how to draw in AutoCAD. In front of you, that is a panel door with all the parts, meaning the styles. You have all the rails are there, then the top, the middle, and the bottom rail. You have all the panels that are there. You have even the mounting and so on. These are the parts of a panel door, and I want to promise you that in the days ahead we are going to have a full tutorial on how to draw this particular panel door, or something that looks like this one. How to draw a panel door. That's our next target. I know that sometimes it might be very difficult to go about it, but we're going to simplify it so you can understand very well and begin to draw. You know, in furniture you have so many things that have to do with panel, so we're going to take our time in the days ahead to teach you how to draw a panel shutter. Okay, so continue to have confidence in us, continue to trust us. We trust you also, and we believe that if you follow our tutorials very keenly, you're going to improve on your skills on how to draw in AutoCAD. So to help us, please subscribe, share our content, and like our videos. We love you. So see you next time in the days ahead. Let me say, before the week runs out, be rest assured that we're going to have something like this. We're going to have a tutorial on how to draw something like this, a panel shutter. We have many of such. That we intend to have tutorials of, so we can send to you and to help you so that you can draw in AutoCAD with all confidence. So thank you once again, and remain blessed. This is Ngwai Eric.